I'll jump in here, is contest and giveaways. Talk me through this.
Yeah, so basically, like, whenever you join Instagram and really try to do it right, you have to try to do things that are already a part of the culture. So, like, liking things and commenting on things and DMing people and contests and influencer marketing and stories. Like, those are the ecosystem.
Yep.
So you don't want to try to reinvent the ecosystem. And so what I've learned to be an enormous pro tip is a simple contest to grow your followers can get you a big bump. Like, I don't know exactly what we're giving away in these contests. I think we're giving away like a book and like a doormat.
Yep.
Or like, what's the one in the middle, Jim?
Yeah, the one in the middle is actually passes to the local aquarium. So families can take their kids to the aquarium.
Yeah, so very simple contest. Obviously, if you have to stay within a certain dollar amount for your prize, like, we want you guys to always follow all of your local rules. But what happens is it's very simple. Like, step one, like this post.
Yeah.
Okay. The reason you do that, Jimmy, is the more likes a post gets, the more reach a post gets.
Yep.
So step one, like this post. Step two, make sure you're following me. Step three, tag a friend in a comment. Okay. That is sort of what I would call the anatomy of an Instagram contest. Like this post, it gets reach. Follow me, you get followers. Tag a friend in a comment who you think would like to also win. And what happens is, like, the initial set of people that see it, Jimmy, they already follow you, right? So all they have to do is like the post and tag a friend. But the reason that one says follow me is because when they start tagging their friends, now their friends want to enter the contest too. So you can see these are 3 examples. Look at the engagement. Like, look at the props to Jason Cassidy. Like, look at the engagement this guy's getting off of doormats and books. You know, people always make excuses, Jimmy. You know what I'm saying? Every time we talk about a contest, everybody always wants to get upset about, well, you can't spend more than whatever. Well, then don't spend more than whatever. That's not a brick wall. That's a roadblock. And you could get around it. So I think this is awesome. And contests and giveaways. Now, here's the pro tip here. The more creative and exclusive and interesting and unique it is, the better it's going to do. Yeah. But ultimately, look at the engagement on a book giveaway. Look at the engagement on a mat giveaway. Look at the engagement on bring your family to the aquarium. It's through the roof. It's like 10 to 20x more, and you don't even need to pay. You literally don't even need to pay because you're going to get a bunch of people that follow you to want to enter. And then they're going to tag people to enter. And you can do this without an ad spend. I mean, we did it with an ad spend too. We'll talk about in a second, but contests and giveaways. So we talked about the Tim Ferriss strategy. Contests and giveaways are another way to get a big pop versus a little trickle.
Yeah, I love the idea. Now, specifically as it relates to contests, what do you think the frequency of this should be based on your gut? I know it's a little bit of a gut question, right? But like,
by the way, not to interrupt you, but I have my phone open to that Instagram, and it says 33 minutes. It just went up a minute because I forgot to close my phone. Let me close it. I don't want bad data.
All right. So my question was, as it relates to the frequency of contests, like, what does your gut tell you in terms of how often should someone be doing this? Because the temptation would be to sort of make it part of your SOP, but what's the balance in your mind?
Yeah, I think like long term, like once a month feels really good.
Yeah.
But I would say the other thing is, like, if you have a short-term goal, go for it. You know, like we made it a goal and we made it a focus to get 10,000 followers. So for us, it wasn't really about like, how often are we going to do this or how many times are we going to do this? It was actually just, we were like tunnel vision that we wanted 10,000 followers.
Let's clarify, 10,000 followers for you, not for.
Yeah, for me. Sorry. Yeah.